Hey guys, my name is Kimberly. I am a professional hairstylist here in Canada, Montreal, Canada, and I decided to make this video. Something just came over me. I need to make this video. You guys need to know. A lot of my clients have been asking me, every time they come in for a balayage, foliage, whatever you want to call it. Most people will just say balayage, especially clients that don't know much about hair coloring. Foliage, balayage, anything about color, especially lifting of the hair. I decided to give you guys some tips and tricks to kind of extend your salon visits and take care of your color at home, because it is high maintenance. Color is high maintenance, and if you want your hair to be still looking good a couple days after the salon, because trust me, coming out of the salon your hair is gonna look good. It is gonna look good, I hope, because then that's sad, but this should work. I don't want you coming in the comments and be like, oh no, like I did this but didn't do that and I didn't like the results. Dude, rewind, watch this video, please. Pay attention. These are things in general that anybody can do. Honestly, most of the clients I have don't even do this. They don't do these things, or they're like, oh really? How to maintain color at home, balayage, highlights. I'm gonna go over darker shades to the blondest shades. So this is okay for all. And I'm gonna just specify when it comes to blonde hair. So guys, first of all, throw away your drugstore hair products, please. I know sometimes in the pharmacies there are some good products, you know what I mean, but like if you're using the cheapest shampoo you can find on the shelf, that is not good for your hair. Please, if you're going to a salon to get high quality color, you're gonna want to have to use products at the same level. Any salon, buy your products there. Sometimes it's kind of pricey in those salons. You can probably go to, like, I don't know where you are, but I know in the US there's Sally's. Here in Canada and Montreal there's Matt and Max. All I know is that there are some shops that you can actually go in and get professional hair products online. You can order from Amazon, I don't know. Ask your hairdresser about products that would be good for your hair. Sometimes they don't want to be pushy, sometimes the hairdressers, so they won't really recommend you like a specific brand. But guys, just, bring your products up a notch. All I'm saying is don't go with the cheapest shampoo, 2-in-1, 3-in-1, 8-in-1 to put in your hair. Come on. When I talk about products, I'm not only talking about shampoo and conditioner. Okay, that's cool in the shower, but you need to have a leave-in. I don't care what texture your hair is. If your hair is thin, you will find a leave-in for your hair texture. And if your hair is thicker, you can find more like creamier leave-ins, which helps for frizz. If you have thick and curly, creamier. For thin hair, I suggest you guys to get more like a liquid leave-in, like a spray. It's gonna be easier to brush out, to style after. You might not need to like manipulate your hair so much trying to detangle, and that will help for the overall health of your hair. Now for the toning. You notice that your hair keeps washing out. The color is getting back to the yellow, getting back to the orangey, getting back to I don't know what, fading. Guys, there is a solution for this without putting chemicals in your hair, because people will just be like, go buy a toner, go buy a color and just put it over your hair. Especially if you don't have the money or the time to actually go back to the salon for a full like toning service. People will tell you, oh well, you can do it like at home, dye your hair at home. Guys, I do not recommend you to dye your hair at home. For people who do not have blonde, like bright blonde balayage, bright blonde hair, let me say it again, for people who do not have bright blonde hair, so it's not near platinum, right? So if it's more of the orange tones, orangey yellow max, it can't be bright yellow. Orangey yellow is starting to look kind of or browns or reds. Guys, you can find masks with color tint in it. Tinted masks, guys, those are lifesavers. No chemicals. I can give you a brand right here. There's Aloxi, Revlon. They have the little ball. You can go on the website, look at all the shades. A lot of people like more cool tones, beigey tones. Beige is beautiful because it's kind of neutral. They have beige tones, different shades. They have a dark beige, a lighter beige, depending on what you want. Icy blondes, they have browns, they have different shades for almost every color, you know, traditional colors. Those you put it right after you shampoo your hair, apply it to your hair, leave it on for a couple minutes, and rinse it. And it kind of tones your hair and hydrates it, guys. It is amazing. For bright blonde hair, I think you guys already know. Purple shampoo, right? Purple shampoo. But guys, something I need to tell you. Some people overdo it with the purple shampoo. You guys, purple shampoo every time you wash your hair. And then you're like, for some reason my hair is looking kind of dark. Do not overdo it, because it will make your hair look way darker. It will make it ashier, and ash, it doesn't really grab the light, so your hair will look kind of darker than it's supposed to if you overdo it. So make sure you do not overdo it. If ever you're at a point where your hair seems like it got so darker, there are purple spots, some violet, get you a clarifying shampoo and wash your hair. Wash it. When I say wash it, do three washes that one day, you know, just to make sure. And clarifying shampoo dries out the hair. Although there are some that don't dry out your hair so much. You can find clarifying shampoo just about anywhere. And make sure you hydrate your hair right after. Put on a mask on your hair right after, or just do your regular shampoo and conditioner right after you use the clarifying shampoo. That should already knock off a lot of the deposit from the purple shampoo that made your hair dark or purple. And that is with no chemicals. If it doesn't work the first time around, keep doing it for like a couple weeks. It should brighten up. So guys, that is it. I just wanted to give you some quick tips that you can do at home, you know. If you have any more tips that I didn't mention, you can comment down below. I'm always open to listen to you guys and whatever. And that's it, guys. So let me know if any of these really helped you, because normally it's in the long run. You'll thank me. And that's it. See you guys later. If you have any questions, if you have any video suggestions, just drop them down here. See you guys later. Bye.